Hello dear students, our lesson today we are going to talk about the difference of two sets. Okay, let's open our booklet page 49. First, this is an explanation what do we mean by the difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of elements that are in A but not in B. How do I write it? I write it A dash B or A minus B. So as we took before from grade 2 that the difference is a word of the subtraction sign or the minus sign. So I can write A difference B by this way, A minus B or A dash B. The difference of two sets B and A is the set of elements that are in B but not in A. It's written this time like B minus A or B dash A. So this here, if I cover B, this means that it's the first one, which is A minus B. So I am going to write the elements that are in A but not in B, or we mean to cover the common elements between them. And the difference is the relation between two sets only. It's not like the complement. We do not include all of the elements in the universal. So this shows A minus B or A difference B. This shows B minus A. So if I want to write the elements that are in B only, excluding what's in A or what's common between them, so it's by this way. Okay, first exercise. If I have two sets, first set 1, 2, 4, difference 2, 4, 6. So number 1, I have to cross away what's common between them. So here I'm going to cross away the 2, going to cross away the 4, and then I'm going to cover the second set. So what's left from the first set is 1. Second question, A, B, C, D, difference A, B, C, O. First I'm going to cross away the common elements, which are A, B, and C. Then I'm going to cover the second set. So what's left from the first one is the element D. C, set 2, 5, difference set 3, 4. There is nothing common between them, so I'm going to cover the second set directly. So what's left is the first set itself, which have the elements 2 and 5. Okay, set 33, difference set 33, 43, 53. So number 1, I'm going to cross away the common element, then cover the second set. What's left in the first set? Nothing. So what I'm going to write is the phi sign. Okay. E, set 5, 6, difference phi. There is nothing common between them. I'm going to cover the second set. So we covered the phi, which is the empty set. So what's left is the first set itself, which is 5 and 6. F, set 10, 15, 13, difference set 10, 15. I'm going to cross away the common, which are 10 and 15. What's left in the first set is the 13. Okay. Question number 2. If I have a set A having the elements 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, B elements 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, then they are asking A minus B and then B minus A. So A minus B first. I'm going to cross what's common. I'm going to cross the 1, the 4, and the 7. After that I'm going to cover the set B. So what's left in set A is the 2 and the 5. Okay. Then in the second question they are asking B minus A. So I'm going to cover this time the set A and write what's left in B, which are the elements 0, 3, and 6. Okay, let's open our booklet page 15. Question number 3, they are asking you to use the following Venn diagram to list. Here we have the set A and the set B. Set A have the elements 5, 6, 7, and 8. Set B have the elements 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. As we said before, using the Venn diagram is much easier in solving our questions. So A minus B, or what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover the set B. What's left is 8 and 7. Okay, next, B minus A, so this time I'm going to cover the set A, so what's left is 1, 2, and 3. Question number 4, they are asking you to find, let X, having the elements 5, 6, 10, and 12, set Y, 2, 3, 6, and 10, then X minus Y. Number 1, I'm going to cross away the common elements, 6 and 10. X minus Y, so I'm going to cover the set Y, so what's left is 5 and 12. After that, Y minus X, so I'm going to cover the set X, so what's left in Y is 2 and 3. Number 5, use the following Venn diagram to list X minus Y, so I'm going to cover the set Y. What's left in X is 4 and 5. So the set element, the element 7, sorry, which is outside the set of the X in the universal, is not included in my answer, because as we said before, that the difference is between two sets. There is no relation to the universal with it. Y minus X, this time I'm going to cover the X. What are the elements left in Y? It's 1 and 3.